name's Victoria. Hi, my name is Brielle. And we're going to show our dad how Minecraft works. This is a Flasha Brilyanz.
And this is episode 2. So we're having
You're not cooking.
turkey.
I'm cooking. It's not delicious.
Turkey, something. Where are you eating turkey? What you playing?
Dad.
Minecraft?
Yeah.
Put the stuff away.
It's like we have to make our own world, and I made.
World?
Okay, well.
You have to make your own world?
Yeah. Look it, I already made my house.
Like this, like the Spaniards did?
She's not who that is.
You just make your.
She's not who that is.
You haven't get that far in history yet?
Daddy, look it.
España? What?
Take
Look
over
it.
everything
I
and
made,
kill everyone?
I made like my own little ball.
Is that España?
Daddy.
What is it?
It's like a little farm.
It's a little farm?
Oh my gosh. I did it on purpose. What do you go
You
in?
want a burrito or you want nachos?
All kinds of
Bottom
animals.
with cheese and all that stuff on top.
See?
What's that?
There's all kinds of animals in it.
What is this?
Why
Oh no, that's for the case for this.
Oh, who's
Johnny,
that?
It's Johnny.
Johnny's.
Okay, be very careful with it.
Just fly up. Oh, wrong way. And yeah, I can fly too. And then whatever I need is just right here. I just have to click on it, and then if you push this button, it will. Oh no, the board just fell out. And if you go to here, then there's all kinds of like blocks. And I'm gonna show you the ugliest one. There's all kinds of eggs here.
Like dragon eggs?
Yeah, like those spawn cube, those spawn villager, spawn wolf, spawn polar bear. I want to try spawn. I want to try this one. Oops. Oops. Ugh. Okay, down. Oops. Oh, look at it, Daddy. It's so cute.
What is this? Is it a polar bear?
Yeah, it's a spawn polar bear. It's so cute.
Is everything supposed to be like in blocks like that?
Yeah, it's supposed to be like that because it's Minecraft. What is that? Oh, it's a cow. And there's chicken, rat. There. And this is how I delete blocks. I just push this button. And I can kill stuff like this. Watch. Hold on, let me go look for an animal. Fly, my deal. I'm gonna kill that cow. Like that. Whenever you're trying to delete something, you could just kill it. And you can grab stuff. Yes. Don't forget this. Ooh, there's a pig.
No.
No, he's not here. Ooh, there's a pig. Polar bear right there.
He said he got stung by 2 wasps when he was over there.
Hello, piggy.
How do you yell? How do you yell when you got stung?
Okay, now let's go back to my house.
Here.
No, you said that Vince he got stung by bees.
God.
I got stung by one bee on my foot. Remember?
He was like cleaning something out. Oh yeah, that's what it was. You stepped on one when we went to the lake, huh?
Uh-huh. I didn't put on my sandals. Like you told me to.
I did.
Maybe that's what she cried.
That was the main reason why I told you to put sandals on.
Can I kill the board? I can't kill the board. Dad, look at by my house. I made like a little pond.
That's cool.
How I make water is I don't even have to make it. I just go to I'm in creative mode. I just go to heal. Wait, no, wrong button. I have water. I have milk. I have water, lava, and bucket. This is how a random bucket. And how to exit. Just push circle. Okay, so.
Okay, so back to this.
And then this is my house. It's out of diamond blocks. And how to open the door, you just push that. And I have a pet wolf. But I trained it.
That's your room all pink like that?
Yeah, I love pink.
That's cool.
Didn't I show you the thing about my at the real house? At my real house?
I don't know. I don't remember.
Our bedroom? Our room? Our bed? I can't kill this thing. I don't think so. Oh, yes, I can. Oops, and then he gets mad. Look at him. He goes everywhere. Okay. What is this? I forgot what this was. But you mostly need these in houses.
Oh.
Because like this is to like to make stuff, and then that is just like to like get like food and stuff. But I don't need no food. Bye. My wolf. Oh no! No!
Jump in the water.
No. Oh yeah.
I thought he was gonna die.
That's his little pool.
Oh, it's just. Oh.
Yeah, the little pond is like his little pool.
Victoria, how do you want you want
I could just make another one.
not
Watch.
with the cheese and then all that stuff on top of it.
I could just put like a little one like this. I could just make another one like this. You just go to the eggs. I'm gonna look for the egg. How do you know how this is just like this and you can't like touch it? Oh, I can. Never mind.
Is it touchscreen?
Yeah, it's touchscreen. Like you can't touch those things, but it's touchscreen. See? Let me look for the wolf. Do you remember what? Oh yeah, it's right here. There's X. Okay, I have it in my hand. Then I just X it. I have to tame it after when I get it. Okay, here we go. Ready, Daddy? Oh my gosh, it's there. Okay, how do I tame it? I forgot. Tame, be tamed. How do I tame you? How do you tame this thing? Victoria! I forgot how to tame it. I'm just gonna leave it like that.
Okay.
Victoria can tame it. I better leave before it attacks me. Ah! Well, it won't attack me because I made it. Hello, wolf. See in the new pond? Yeah, I'm gonna tame my wolf because I dropped mine in the water. Look. It says this is the pool. Look, it fell in. Victoria's gonna tame it.
What's the point of taming it?
Like, you have to, like, make it be your pet. Yeah. You
have to submit it into being a pet?
Yes, it has to be the pet. If it likes it or not. Oh, yeah, that's... Oh, you ruined my house! I did it by accident. Hey, you love me! You must love me! I need to fix my house. Come down. Oh, I need to get the block. Okay, I gotta go back. No. Get out. I have light
there's a
in
block
my
missing right there.
Woohoo!
Oh, there you go.
I did it. Good, Wolfie. Dad, what should I name him?
What's a good wolf name? Saber. Like, what else?
I even have a poop bed.
Charlie.
Oh yeah, Charlie.
Demolition Man.
Daddy, I'm gonna name him Charlie.
What was Wesley Snipes' name in Demolition Man?
I'm just gonna name him Charlie, like Isabel said.
Isn't it? Oh, Simon Phoenix.
Okay, his name is gonna just be Simon.
There you go, Simon.
Simon. His name is Simon. Oh my gosh, he's not tamed anymore. Delete. Oh.
Oh, what happened? What happened?
I ruined it. He went to that little hole.
Like all the water like went out the bottom.
Yeah, it stayed there now. Meanwhile, let's go fly. Now, if you have to like fly, just push this button. Oh no, I just fell. And you have to go like that. Just fly. This is not my whole entire village.
So does anybody else live there with you or just you?
It's just me.
So
But like,
you live in this whole world by yourself?
Victoria, what
Yeah.
do you want on your thing, Mama?
You don't have, there's no family or friends or anything?
no, just trees. Trees on my friends.
It sounds lonely.
I am lonely.
You should hear this. Oh,
I'm lonely. I told you. I
why
told
is it
you.
always all somber and
What about
sad?
regular cheese?
Let me go down this hole.
No avocado?
See what the world is hiding. I could just fly back up.
Come over here. And I don't think I have Kool-Aid, so do you want water or?
That's fine. Oh yeah, she makes the world bright.
Kool-Aid!
It sounds lonely, huh?
No, that one doesn't sound that lonely.
Yeah, oh my god, I just went to the water.
After this, can I show you my world, Daddy?
Sure.
My cheese, right?
Oh no, I'm good. How do I get back up? I forgot.
Sit down and then I'll take it. Let me move those flowers and stuff.
Be in like. That's my secret hole. I'm just gonna cover it so no one can see it.
Yeah, so be careful. Don't sit on it. We have that's stairs now.
And it's right by my house. Time to go to bed.
Oh, I know. That one broke. Don't be such a happy winner there.
I'm so happy. I was right. Here, throw it off. And I have a silver dance. She got crazy. I'm so happy. And I got mad because this kid named Josiah, he's like, he thinks the whole entire country belongs to him. That he's
Like Minecraft.
wow, bravo. Anyway.
This is your world?
Yes. Look, I can change it. I'm gonna change it to blue, but then this color. Ooh, not this one. Wrong one. I'm so silly. I'm so silly.
Yours looks like a castle.
I know, it's amazing. Then look, I can just go like that. Yay. Watch, I'll show you how it looks like on the outside. This is how it looks. And then this is my horse. As you can see, it says spot. That's what it says. Then your spot. Diamond horse like that. I'm a creative right now. Oh yeah, then look at my little icon person. Watch, I'll show you. See? It's adorable. I love her. Oh no. There we go. Then look at. Okay, like that. Then all I gotta do is make my roofie. Then I should be done. That looks pretty. So pretty. And then look at, I can actually put a banner. Watch. So everyone knows this is Victoria World. You know how my favorite color is green, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
Daddy, look it. Bam! Everyone look at my banner. Daddy, look it. It's little Anna. That's what I got in my Kinder Egg.
Oh, cool.
And Daddy, I already have Elsa, so now I just have the Anna.
Cool.
Victoria World is amazing. Everyone loves Victoria World. Yeah, that's what it is. So this is my little house. That's downstairs. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make an ocelot right now. Yeah, I can't jump this fence. Oh yeah, I gotta put it right here. Sorry, every guy.
Looks like a cabin.
Yeah, more like a cabin. A power. And then green little bed. Yeah. That's my little house. There we go. Okay, so you see this little shack right here? You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, not this one. Not this one. Wrong one. The one right next to me. This one. You see this little shacky?
Oh yeah, you got flowers in there?
No, guess what? Destroy. 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 No one cares. Destroy and no one cares. Destroy more. Oh my god. Okay, I destroyed
She's
everything.
showing me her world.
Yes. Then watch, I'm gonna get this little planks. Then watch what's gonna happen. Go. Oh my gosh, Dad, did you just see that?
Yeah, they all.
What are
whatever.
those? The cats. Woof, 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 woof. Let's do it to polar bears. Polar bears, come here. Oh my gosh, can't you spawn eggs at the meat? I can't do
What
it.
happened?
It says I can't use it because I put too many. Yes, me animals. Roll, be a zoo. Feel free to do whatever you want. This is now your planet. Okay. Perfect. Now I'm gonna do something else.
When I warm up, I like to listen to old music, especially with James. So I listen to
Super freak.